I have the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G and I'll be showing you how to turn off this phone. Now you might think that to turn it off, you just long press the side or power button, but what happens is that brings up Bixby. Now to bring up the power menu to be able to turn off your phone, it's a button combo, volume down and the side key. So you press them and hold them simultaneously and that brings up the power menu, from where you can tap on power off, tap on that again, that's going to switch off your phone. Alternatively, you can swipe down to the quick settings panel. So swipe down twice, once and twice to reveal these quick settings. And from here, you should see this power button at the top here. Tap on it. Again, that brings up the power menu, from where you can tap on power off, tap on power off again, and that's going to switch off your phone. Now, you might want to restore this button as the power button. Instead of bringing up Bixby, it brings up the power menu so you can switch off your phone with it. So to do that, just go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to advanced features, tap on that, and then go to motions and gestures. Just go to side button, beg your pardon. And under side button, you should see the option to press and hold the side button, and it's set to wake Bixby. So you can change that to power off menu. And so from now on, whenever you long press this button, it brings up the power menu and you can use that to turn off your phone. So anytime you tap the power off menu, you should see the Samsung logo, the screen goes dark, and now the phone is off. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.